At least before he arrives. Can you say something about him? I'm eager.
What do you want to know about him?
Anything. I mean, just anything. How tall he is. Is he cute?
Well, there's nothing much to say about him.
Lady Clary, now you are kidding me. No, it's not funny. Listen, I just want to know. You know, is he short?
Oh, okay. Listen. He is tall. He is very... See the way I stress the very? Very handsome.
Ah, my spec.
And financially stable.
Very important, my darling.
Very important.
Very, very important.
Then he's very caring and so loving to be with.
Oh, man.
You like him. No. You will love him.
This is what every woman wants. Who doesn't want a fine, young, handsome, rich dude? But, I'm a little bit skeptical about this. I don't even know if this is what I want. I mean, a mix kind of, and...
I don't understand. What is the problem?
My last relationship was really terrible. Very bad. You know, my past relationship wasn't really nice. I had a very terrible experience. I don't want a repetition of that.
You know, you keep talking about this bad experience you had in your last relationship, yet you don't talk about it. So why don't you, tell me how it was. Tell me everything while we wait.
It's not something I want to talk about. Baby girl, let's not ruin the moment. Please.
Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Oh, he's here. Yes.
Oh my God.
He is here. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Okay. Do I look okay?
You look gorgeous. Yeah. Just wait. Okay. Mr. Paul Benson.
I'm so sorry. I'm late. Is the person here?
By the way, you're looking so handsome.
Am I?
As usual. And under 16.
Can you imagine? Under 14. Under 14.
Anyway, she's here.
I'm sorry. I'm late.
Your apologies should go to the lady you kept waiting. You're 30 minutes late, as a matter of fact.
Oof. Okay. We'll deal with that. One more thing, Claron, please. You see this arrangement that we have, I would really appreciate if I get to see pictures. If you know what I mean, like a social media handle, something to work with, before I...
Okay, maybe next time. But she's here. I'll come and see. She's here. What is it? What? Paul, is there something I should know?
It's a long story.
Michael. Nanya? Hello, Nanya? What is it?
If I had known it was that this you wanted to introduce me to, I wouldn't have come here in the first place.
Wait. Do you know him?
The question should be to me, not me.
I don't understand. Nanya, please, just tell me. Is there something I need to know?
I am not in the mood to talk about right now, and I don't want to ever be in that mood to talk about it.
Listen, I can sense you're very upset. But just calm down and talk to me. What is going on? Why? Nenya, what is actually going on? I need to understand. What is it? She refused to talk to me. So, talk to me.
Not now.
Why?
Look, can we talk about something else?
There's nothing else to talk about.
Let's forget that.
Okay? Your main reason for being here is for us to talk about Chineye, but as you can see, everything is now in shambles.
In that case, I have to go.
I think you should do that.
Listen, I'll tell you, all right? Everything when the time comes, but just not now.
As you please.
We found love, yeah. Not just any love, but true love, yeah. The feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy. With those good feelings from inside, everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, present you with
I'll see you around.
love, undiluted feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time. And the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words of my heart. To love and respect you with all of my life, yeah.
As in, I can't wait to see Nonye separated from Ofuma. That guy doesn't love her.
Exactly my sentiments. But then, she is too blind to read the writings on the wall.
The only thing he cares about is to have her on bed and then start money from her. I don't like him.
What do you expect? I mean, he's a professional at what he's doing to our friend.
Babe, maybe we should go out of our way to separate them. What do you think?
Come on. She's an adult, for goodness sake. The best breakup will happen once Chineye is ready to call it a quit. Until then, we can't be overly nosy.
I don't even know what she's doing with that riffraff.
I neither. You know what I can't understand is...
Hey! What is wrong? You're back early. What is the problem?
What happened?
Girls, you wouldn't believe who I met today. Who? Talk to us. Paul Benson. Of all people. Goodness.
How? What are you talking about? I don't understand.
Babes, I don't understand either. Okay, you know what? just come and sit down and tell us exactly what happened. Please, just say it. Come on, babe. Jesus. I mean, no, babe. Sit. Okay. It's my house sitting. Okay.
Now I believe the saying that what goes around comes around. She is the last person I was expecting to see today. But the question is, what is the connection between Clarion and Chineye? Why am I not aware that the both of them know each other? There is more to this, and I must unravel it. I will get to the bottom of it.
Nenye, please. Come on, Nenye. Really? Really, Chi?
Yes.
So you're telling me you actually need a prophet to come and confirm that Paul is the man for you?
No, now you really? I mean, really? God forbid, girl. Listen, if Paul is the last man among the species of men, I would rather remain single than be with that idiot.
Babe,
What?
you're taking this thing too far, the way you sound.
Well, I have said it. I am never, ever going to be with that pretentious devil. Jesus.
Really? So then you're going to remain single? Is that what you're saying?
Oh, well, I have a foreman. He's enough for me.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on. Did I hear you say you have a former?
Mm-hmm.
You have a former, yet you just came back from a hookup, which you preached against. No, wait, who is lying to who here?
Girls, please. Can we just end this discussion? Please.
No, we can't. Not until we are done with the discussion. For goodness sake, Ofoma is the wrong guy for you. The wrongest one at that. He does not deserve you. What will it take for you to finally get to see that?
And as a matter of fact, that guy is just catching cruise with you. By the time he's done with you, he will dump you and move on.
Don't cliche, girls. Thank you. If you're giving me this advice, telling me this stuff just so I could go back to that guy, I wouldn't. I won't do it.
In other words, you're ready to miss out on a good man just because he's made a mistake before.
What? Girl, wait a minute. Did I just hear you call Paul a good man?
Of course I did.
No.
He's a good man.
You don't know this guy. I mean, there is absolutely nothing good about that good-for-nothing man.
Really?
Yes.
Then, maybe I should take you down the memory lane so that you don't shoot yourself on the foot, babe.
Yeah, not just any love, but true love. Yeah, the feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy with those single feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Yeah.
Feel good. Hey, so good. I'm so good. I got you. Oh my goodness.
Baby. You're joining you in no bands. Of course. What is the good news? Tell me.
Anyways, I met him. No, that's a mistake.
Okay.
I met an angel in the form of a man today.
Please. Tell me about him. Tell me.
Oh my goodness, I can't even wait to tell you.
Please do.
Okay. This guy is the exact kind of man I have been craving all my life. He is humble, gentle, kind, and most especially caring, baby.
Someone is in love.
Of course, yes, I am in love.
No. This calls for for celebration. You need to
always read my mind. I will get a bottle of champagne.
Hold on. Come. What is it? Please sit. Okay, sit. This man, what does he do for a living?
Oh, well, this handsome man is a chartered accountant. He works with the auditing firm that came to audit our company's accounts.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
That means he's legit.
Very he is legit.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, my darling. But wait a minute. Why are you always concerned with what one does for a living?
Sweetheart, it's always necessary to know what a man you are going out with is doing for a living. You know why? There are so many men out there who are into illegalities, ranging from fraud, rituals, and all that. So you need to know.
Okay, now I get the point. Now I get what you say.
Go get the wine. Let's celebrate.
Of course, darling. Definitely, yeah. Come on, baby. I feel good. Well, he disguised himself. I didn't know anything about him. I did not.
Nanye, have you also thought about the fact that perhaps you misunderstood him? Yes. You must have failed to understand him as the event started unfolding. Have you thought about that? Because it's possible.
My darling, if you ask me, I will insist that Paul is the best man for you.
Going back to Paul would be a total mistake. I don't even want to make that mistake. I won't do it. Jesus.
And the plan is?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah. I'm just going to be all by myself. The only issues I have right now is my mother. She's been on my neck for me to get married. If not for my mom, listen, I won't even be thinking in that direction.
Do you know your baffles me when you speak like this?
I know. Well, girls, I have spoken my obvious truth. And there is absolutely nothing that will change my mind about it. Meanwhile, I thought you two said you were going out today. What happened? Why didn't you go out again? Why?
Well, that is because apparently Y has a long tail, and if you cut it, it becomes a V.
Okay, really? You need to go back to primary school.
Oh, whatever.
You miss those days, right?
Of course I miss those days, but this one right here, this Miss Cece, she misses it more.
Oh, please, girl. Speak for yourself and your cousin.
And of course I will speak for myself and my relatives as well.
I mean, you must marry God.
Listen, I don't even want to hear that. I don't want to hear that name in this house. I am so done.
Bottom line, you're going.
Please. Put us also call.
With the way she's going,
This is not.
We found love, yeah. Not just any love, but true love, yeah. The feel.
Lady Claria.
Hello, Paul. How are you?
Oh, I see. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. This is Precious, the girl I told you about. Precious, this is Mr. Paul.
Oh. Hi, sir.
Lady Clara, please, Can I have a word with you outside?
Of course.
Like right now?
No problem.
Excuse me. It's like this man is not happy to see me.
No. He asked me to bring you.
Yeah.
So there's no problem.
Okay, no problem.
I'll be right back.
Thank you. God have carried me to my husband's house.
Hey!
Okay.
Why now? Why? Why? What's that girl doing in my house?
I don't understand. Why are you asking me that? Were you not the one that said you're open for referrals?
Yes, I'm open, but not that kind of girl now. Come on. It's not the kind of girl you brought to my house.
You have to speak in a language I will understand because I am clearly not understanding you right now.
Look, it is very simple. You know me. You know my taste in women. You've been around me for years. How can I ask that you link me up with someone and you bring that short put?
Eh? What did you just say? Because I don't understand. What is wrong with her?
Everything is wrong with the girl. She's short. She's short. She's ugly. Just look at the girl. Did you see her standing beside you? You saw her standing beside me, right? No, look at me. Look at me and look at that girl. When that girl stands in front of me, she's here. Claron, she's here. Like this, she's here.
Izo.
Yes, Izo.
Oh, nobody's ugly. Nobody. And let me ask you, are you looking for a girl to marry? Or a speck you can cruise about town with? Which one?
I am looking for a woman to marry that is also my taste.
When it comes to marriage, my dear, you look out for character. Forget about skin color or size or anything. Agua, bumawai. Character is the beauty of a woman. That is what you should be looking out for.
Yes, and this is what you people say to men every day that makes them marry ugly women. That's the first face you see every morning when you wake up. You can imagine that girl when I wake up in the morning without makeup. That girl. She looks like a little shrine. I
don't even know what you're trying to say. Paul, are you in or out?
I am in.
I'm trying my best to give you the best here, so don't make me look stupid right now.
Claron, you call this the best? Claron, this one is the best.
For you, yes.
You're not a good person. No, you look at a man like me, and you bring that to me and call her the best for me. Come on now. Sugar size. Why are you like this?
Why do I have the feeling that you're just looking for an excuse not to settle down? Because that is what I'm seeing.
No, if I didn't want to settle down, I wouldn't even ask for your help. I know what I'm looking for. Find me a classy girl. Someone, first and foremost, height. You know, I just look at her. You won't understand. You're not a man. How can I be looking at that girl like this? Like this I'm looking at her. Please now, tell her to leave or she cannot be here.
Charlie! Don't make me look stupid because you're the one that made me bring that girl to you.
I don't even know if I'm in or out anymore. So, Precious, right?
Yes, Precious.
It's fine. You are going to be staying with me for a while.
Okay, I am aware and I came prepared.
Well, I'll have to leave you so you can get to know each other better.
I want to say that I appreciate your efforts.
Oh, what are friends for?
If not to be there for each other in times of need.
All I ask is for you to take good care of her, please. I have to be on my way now.
Okay.
All right. Take care.
Thank you.
And take care too.
Stop. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay.
So you can relax, feel at home. No need to pretend about anything at all.
Okay. Besides, I don't even know how to pretend. So many people, they like me. And I know that you will like me very well too.
Look, when you go upstairs, second room to your left, all right? That would be the guest room. That's your room.
Second room to my left. Okay.
You know how to count. Yes. When you get upstairs, you're going to find rooms on your left and your right.
Yes, sir.
You count 2 on your left. 1, 2. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Second to your left, eh?
Yes, sir.
That's the room.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Very, very funny.
So, what happened afterwards?
I said, he fell inside the gutter. He fell inside the gutter. Just relax. I laughed. I said,
Oh my God, what is this? What village the Clarion dragged this local champion?
God, what is... it's like my story is not very interesting.
Oh no, it is quite interesting. It's just that I'm worried with the way you laugh. It just worries me. Yes.
How do you mean the way I laugh?
You laugh like a bushwoman, actually. Yes, you cannot be laughing like that.
Okay.
This is a very nice, quiet estate in GRA. This is GRA. Like, this is an estate.
Okay, in my place, where that was how I grew up.
But my neighbors could hear you, and that's not really nice.
Okay.
So here we don't laugh like that. We get it together. You get what I'm trying to say? Do you understand? So if you want to laugh, try to be civilized about it. You get, like, there's a way you watch foreign movies.
Yes.
Right? You see, when they want to laugh, rich people want to laugh. Try it. Let me see. Try it. Laugh like them.
Oh God. Oh God, this is so sweet. Oh my God, nice.
Yeah, not just any love, but true love. Yeah, the feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so.
It's very sweet. Huh?
Cake. Love is very, very sweet.
Chicken. I'll not be able to finish it too. I'll not finish it too.
Baby.
If you call me, stand there. If you call me baby again, if you call me baby again, look, if you call me baby one more time, I'll throw you out of this house. My name is Paul. Please, I'm begging you now. My name is Paul. Paul Benson. My name is not baby. Please, just address me properly. Mr. Paul.
Okay. I just want to know, why did you leave the dining like that?
What did you say?
Why did you leave the dining like that?
I left because you were going to kill me.
Jesus Christ, kill you? Me?
Yes!
Me? How? I cannot kill somebody. Oh,
you don't even know what you did.
what did I do?
Have you seen how you eat? You eat like an animal. You eat like a goat.
No, I don't see anything bad in the way I was eating. I was just enjoying the food.
She said, Where did you come from? Where are you from?
Where I come from?
Oh.
My village.
Your village?
Yes.
Carry on. Ha! They brought a village girl to my house for marriage. Huh? They brought you a village. It's clear. You're a bush girl. And why you have insisted to stay here is what I don't understand. It cannot work. It's not going to work. It's not going to happen. You're a bush girl. See the way you eat. Who eats like that? What modern day woman eats the way you eat? You eat like a dog. You're licking. What you didn't see yourself?
It's just my normal way of eating. When I enjoy food, I used to lick my hand, enjoy myself. I drink when I'm enjoying myself.
And when you drink, you have to make that very disgusting noise. That sound is terrible.
It used to make the food go down very well. If I do.
What's wrong with you?
Small.
You will learn where? Here. I'm asking you, where do you want to learn? Here. You don't have sense.
We found love, yeah. Not just any love, but true love, yeah. understanding love, but true love. Yeah. The feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy. With those single feelings from inside, everything is gonna be alright. Yeah. Present you with true love, undiluted feelings from the inside. Understand?
Good morning, baby.
Morning.
I woke up. I did not see you on the bed. I said, where did my husband go to? Eh? My husband. Why? My own. Ozzy? Mine.
Look, I left this room because you were snoring. Okay, you were snoring. You were snoring. The entire room was vibrating. You were snoring. And it is very disgusting to snore. What did they not teach you?
Oh. I'm so sorry. I have breathing problem.
Look, I don't care what you have. What you really need to have is manners. You don't. Be quiet. Look at you. Push girl. What's important is for you to learn how to live and behave like a modern day woman. Huh?
That one is not a problem. I will learn. I tell you, I will learn anything that you want me to learn. I will learn it.
Where? If I may ask. When and where? How are you going to learn?
As me and you will become husband and wife. Everything will just work. Like that.
You're retarded. What, you think you're here for industrial attachment? My house is not a place for IT. You were brought here to... I can't actually believe I'm going to say this. You were brought here to see if you and I can actually work best as a couple.
Yes, we'll work, husband and wife.
But it was clear the moment you walked through my door and walked into my house that it was mission dead on arrival. And what is that nonsense? What's that stupid spot at the center of your face?
Namaste.
You can't kill me.
Namaste, I won't. Wait for me, please. I have not finished talking. Wait now, hear me out. I am talking to you. I'm talking to you. Hear me out. What is it now? Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry about what?
I'm sorry to get you upset now.
I'm not upset.
See, you're upset. And the least thing you can do is to leave this house this morning angry. It's not good. It's not good.
This girl. Okay, talk to me. What is your problem? What do you want? Why are you blocking me? Why won't you let me go to work? What is it?
Because I've been trying to get your attention. See the way you are talking. This girl, and someone that is trying to love you. It's not good now. Your voice and your body language tells me that you're angry. See, let me tell you. Anything you want me to do, tell me. I will do it too. I'm a very fast learner. Very fast one. Anything you want me to do, I will just learn it.
Slow down. So you mean to tell me that you didn't take in everything I said in the room?
I took everything.
You did not. I made it clear that my house is not where you come for industrial training. My house is not for IT. Precious! I'm not looking for someone to groom. Do you understand?
I understand now. It's small now. It's small. Everything will work out. Just small.
Hi.
Small.
Okay, what's your highest level of education?
Diploma in food and nutrition. I can cook very well. Very well.
Just food? No BSc, no HND, nothing. Just food.
That one? Hi! No problem, I have plans. I have plans to further. I say once I settle like this, bam, Once I just settle in this house, I will fall down and do all those BSc and diploma things. I will do them. That's my plan.
Once you settle where?
In this house. Just settle.
In my house? No, Paul, you're going to bust a vein. Listen. I'm not looking for somebody to train. Do you understand? Like, I'm not looking for someone to... I want to go to work. Move. Precious, I'm not angry. I don't hate you. But you're not my taste. What's You don't understand it.
Okay, you're not angry. I made food.
Have you looked at me and have you looked at yourself as well?
Now.
Look at you right here. And that's me. You can see the difference. Now look at you. This is you. And this is me. How would it work? Do you understand that it cannot work? You still don't get it. Please now. Get your things together and leave my house.
At least breakfast is set. Come and eat before you. He can walk now. What is wrong with this man? This and this. He can walk. What kind of man is this one?
All my life, I have not seen a man difficult like Mr. Paul. He wants you to be perfect, even in your subconscious mind. Is that ever possible? Well, I can see he has set standard for himself. And any woman he wants to get married to must fit into that standard. He just wants a perfect woman. But that will be his greatest undoing. Because no man or woman is perfect. And that is why we are told that we will complement each other. But I am falling for him already. What do I do to keep him and eventually make him to marry me?
Yeah, not just any love, but true love. Yeah, the feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy. With those single feelings from inside, everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, present you.
Paul. What is the matter? You don't look happy at all.
That is because I did not sleep well.
What? What is the problem?
The problem is that you left a little shrine in my house. Clarion, why now? Why? I told you to get me someone. Where did you get that girl from?
Does it matter where she's from?
Oh, it matters. It is very important. Look, history is important. The problem we have is that we neglect history a lot. History is important. If you had just checked out this girl's history, I wouldn't be sweating right now. Where did you get that girl from?
Paul, what did she do?
That girl is a bush rat. That girl is a typical Okuku Igbo. That girl is a bush rat. That girl is local. Like, have you interacted with her? Or you just brought her enu like that and just brought her to my house? Like, did she spend some time here?
Listen, you have not told me what she did.
No, you should be asking what she did not do. That is the question. That is what the question should be. What don't you understand? That girl is deliberately running away from civilization. She is bush. Civilization is coming this way. She's going that way. You don't get it. You don't know what I'm going through in my house. I'm asking you now. Where did you get that girl from? Because she cannot continue to stay in my house. She has to go. She has to leave my house.
No. Paul, She just came yesterday. And you have already concluded. I mean, I thought we agreed that she will spend some time with you, quality time, so that you can at least get to know her and find out if it's going to work between you
That
people.
was the agreement, but as it is right now, I'm about to lose my life. She has to go. She has to go.
You know, in everything you have said, you have not said one thing. I mean, I don't understand. What did she do?
She did everything. She has done everything. She does not know how to talk. She does not know how to eat. She does not know how to sleep. She does not know how to laugh. And then she has this very funny spot at the center of her head, like a little female priestess. I don't get it. And you know she's now like this. She now looks like a mobile deity moving around in my house. Like some little priestess. I don't get it. Now, where did you get that girl from?
Paul, please. Let's just go to the office. We'll conclude this discussion.
This is not funny. I'm not finding this funny.
Paul, please, let's go.
No, so you think this is funny? Or because you are not the one suffering this frustration, you think this is a joke?
So what exactly is the problem?
I don't know. He's saying that he sees me like a local girl, like someone who does not even have a touch of modern things.
So what did you do that made him start thinking that way? Because he complained to me, but I did not want to give him a listening ear until I hear from you.
After you introduced me to him that day, you now left her. We're now sitting outside. I was now telling him beautiful story. I mean, I was now laughing. And I was saying, he does not like the way I'm laughing. No, I'm laughing like a local girl, that he does not like it.
What does he mean by you are laughing like a local girl? I mean, he told me that, but I just did not understand it.
I don't know. It's just my normal way to laugh that I laugh too.
Okay. What else did he complain about?
I don't know. That day we were eating. I made sweet food. As I was eating, maybe he was not okay with the way I was eating. He now walked out. He left me there. Just like that. I just felt that maybe he did not like the way I was eating.
Okay. What else did he complain about?
That me, I'm snoring.
But that is not of your making.
Oh.
I mean, it can be controlled. Precious, let me ask you something.
Ask me.
Do you like him?
You're asking me if I like him. I love him. I love that man very well. He's a very fine man. You see his skin very soft. A sweet man that every woman wants. Every day I used to wish that, God, let this man just hold me like this. No.
Okay. So you are ready for anything he throws at you?
Anything. Let him just throw me anything. I am ready.
No, I treat you bad. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I laughed. You know, but you don't have to run into such conclusions.
What conclusion? Now the girl is an Mbeke. She's a local fowl. That's what she is. What conclusion? I like to speak my truth at all times. I don't understand.
All right, Paul.
The girl is local.
So,
I asked her, where do you come? I asked her, I said, where do you come from? She said, I came from my village.
So, what's up? What's the next course of action?
What plan? She has to leave my house now. What are you talking about? She has to go.
Why don't you give her some time to learn? I feel she might be a fast learner. Huh?
What is this thing with learning I keep hearing? Learning. My house is not an IT center for undergraduates, so she's not there to learn. She's there to give all that she has and all that she knows, right?
Paul, you know, there's something I don't like about you.
What?
Your bad mouth.
This is not about bad mouth. I could not sleep. The girl was snoring. You need to see this girl eat. It is disgusting. She's licking her fingers like my great-grandmother. She's impossible. She does not know how to laugh. She does not know how to... She doesn't know how to even cook. I don't know what the girl is doing in my house. I don't know where Clarion got that girl from. She can't nothing. If that girl continues to stay in my house, I'll lose my life. Please.
You know, this snoring thing is one thing I hate.
Oh.
Like, if someone snores close to me, I might end up not sleeping that whole night.
You have no idea what I went through last night. I had to, of course I had to leave the room. Got into the guest room so I can catch some sleep. Oh, no, I can't cope.
But, you know, Claren might not be happy that you don't like the girl.
But this is about my happiness now. What, Claren? It's about me. What, I'm supposed to get used to this? You're not supposed to get used to something that isn't right for you. The girl is bad for me. She has to go.
Paul, do you know that if you send this girl away now, she will be the 4th girl to leave your house in 6 months?
If not the 5th, but I don't care. I'll keep searching, never will give up until I find the woman that is right and perfect for me.
Okay. Well, I wish you luck.
Thank you.
On your search for the chosen one.
Yes, sir. Thank you. But this one, she has to go. What the hell?
I know I treat you bad, I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging.
Hello. How now? Yes, I'm fine. What of you? They are all fine. What is the problem? The account is not balancing. Okay. Take a walk around on that account that you created. You must see where you made a mistake and then correct it. You've done it already? So, what could be the problem? Okay, so what's the differential? Okay, the mistake must be from you. Let me tell you what you should do, Yes, create a suspense account. Yeah, because that account must balance. Alright. Go and take care. Bye.
Mom, it has been a while since Uncle Paul came back.
But he was here this morning.
When? By then, we have already gone to school.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So Mom, tell me, when is he coming again?
I don't know, maybe soon. I don't know.
Mom, call him now, I'm missing him.
I miss him more. I want to see him. It has been long.
Hey, okay, no problem. It's late already. Finish your homework. Maybe I'll call him tomorrow, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Too bad, I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to.
Welcome, my dear. Welcome, dear.
I need you to go to the room. Pack your things. Get it together. And leave my house.
What did I do? What did I do? Eh? What did I do?
You've done nothing. But you have to go.
Please, no.
Did I not make it clear before I left here that you and I don't belong to the same class? And you and I cannot be an item.
But
I made it very clear. Why are you still here?
because I told you that I am a very good learner. That anything you want me to do, I can learn.
And I also told you that my house is not a breeding ground for human beings. You're an adult. You should be able to help yourself. Huh? I don't have the time for this. Precious, you have 20 minutes. Go to the room, get your things together, and let me drop you off.
And please now, whatever, it's not good. Okay, please,
Hey.
Please, I love you so much.
Listen, you're already short enough, so when you kneel down, I cannot even see you.
Okay, please.
Get your things and leave my house.
No problem, I will go.
Look, it's not that hard, okay? Go up there, get your things together. You have 20 minutes or less.
Please.
I will drop you off if you can't find your way.
I love you so much. See, look into my eyes and see love. True love. Pure love. Look. Love. I love you so much, please. Please now.
Why are you so delusional?
Delusion.
Can't get it. Do you actually think that someone like me is capable of falling in love with someone like you? That's what I meant.
Now this thing that you are doing is because as you went out now, you saw another girl that you want to bring inside this house to come and sleep with. That's why you are doing all this. You think I don't know? I know all these things. I know.
And even if that were to be the case, you think that I owe you an explanation? I will bring my guest right here and make out with her right in front of you.
And I will join you people and the three of us will do together. We'll do it together. It's very, very sweet like that.
Of course I believe you.
Thank you.
I don't expect any less from you because you're a local rat. Precious, you and I have enjoyed this exchange enough. I need you to go to that one, get your things together and leave my house.
Even if I want to go now, it's late now. Let me go in the morning. It's late. Let me just sleep.
You know what? I'll drop you off. I will take you to where you live. I just need you to leave. If you don't leave my house, Precious, I am going to throw you out in a very uncivilized manner. Leave my house. How hard is that to ask? Get out!
Go, boy. It's already late now. It's already late. How do you want me to go? This man, you have big heart. You have mind. As I told, like that's how your mind is very tall. People they say tall people used to have mind. I see you have mind. Please now.
Not just stand in love, but we stay.
Enki, please, we have been over this before. Listen, I don't know why you're still having this discussion. I don't want it. Please.
Enki.
What?
You're my friend. I am your friend. And I love you. Which is why I am telling you the truth. Chinenye, all that guy is doing is to extort you. He's extorting you. What will it take for you to realize it?
You just bring your voice down. We have been over this a million times. Girl, I am not changing my mind anytime soon. I will not stop seeing a former. So please, drop this, okay?
Really?
Yes.
He's going to hurt you and break your heart with no mercy.
Oh, really?
Yes.
My darling, we have been through this a million times. Take a good look at me. Does it look like I care? Babes, I don't. I am not going to be with Paul. That's fine now.
Really?
Yes.
You don't care? You will learn to care when he finally shows you his true color, which I can glaringly see already. Oh yes, you will.
My little pumpkin, you bother your little head too much. You know what? Let us wait till that time. But trust me, darling, it is going to be an endless wait.
Really?
Yes.
You think so? Girl, don't be too sure because the former I know can come up with anything at any time.
Oh, well, let's wait till then, darling. I said that earlier.
Okay.
Please.
Anyway, are you coming back today though?
Does it look like I am not coming back today?
Oh my goodness, Chinenye, I asked a simple question. Answer with a straight answer.
I just give you a simple answer. See you later in the evening, baby.
See your small mouth.
Ah, baby, you see this mouth?